Okay, so our magkakaroon tayo ng Sales Master Workshop. This is already season 4. Nagsimula kami ng workshop na ito back in 2020 nung nag-COVID. Kasi natuto tayong mag-connect sa mga members, hindi na namin sila masyado talagang ma-meet in person dahil sa lockdown. Kaya nagkaroon tayo nito. Actually, even the Atomy Korea, nag-start sila dahil din dun sa sa lockdown, 'di ba? So this will be an 8-week practical workshop to set everybody for success in your Atomy business. So this will start today, February 4 until March 24, 9 to 10 p.m. Pero again, kahit na nandito yung mga ibang members natin dahil this is more likely generic introduction about company philosophy at saka life scenario. So, I would like to start para everybody can actually listen. So, ang Zoom ID na gagamitin natin will be the same Zoom. So, right after ng regular Sunday meeting natin, tutuloy na tayo sa Sales Master Workshop. Magkaroon lang tayo ng mga little bit, 1-2 minutes coffee or bladder break para dun sa mga gabi na nandyan at saka dun sa umaga. Okay? So, yan. And what we will talk about during the Sales Master Workshop, so magkakaroon tayo ng introduction. Pag-uusapan din natin today yung training objectives, yung mga training benefits, yung Sales Master Workshop commitment, of course, company philosophy, company motto, and life scenario. Kasi for us to leverage this business, you need to understand this in details. Hindi kasi ito nadidiscuss ng husto kapag regular, meeting ng Sabado o kaya ng Wednesday. So we're gonna discuss this today also. And of course, I will be yung host, presenter, ako na rin mag-overlook ng mga assignment. Pero doon ako sa mga sponsor mag-reach out, not directly to the parties, but they can always reach out to me anyways. So I'm a Sharon Rose Master. I've been doing this business for the last 4 years. This is my 5th year. Pinangako ko sa sarili ko na gagawin ko to in 5 years. Pag wala akong kinikita dito sa Atomy, give up na ako kasi baka fake news yon na ma-achieve mo yung goals mo or kikita ka sa Atomy. Pero since for the second year na ginagawa ko to, actually even nung unang taong ginawa ko pa lang to, may income naman talaga. Kaya nakita ko talaga yung potential ng business na ma-achieve ko yung mga goals ko through Atomy. And of course, I am a member of, I achieved my first sales mastership actually nung nag-decide ako mag-business in 2 months. And then in less than 1 year, I think 9 months or 8 months, I become a Diamond Master. And then 6 months after, I become Global Auto Sales Master. Tang 2020, COVID yun. Kasagsagan ng COVID, dun ako naging member ng VIP Club. So this at least I can help everyone to achieve na marating yung Global Auto Sales Master Club para lahat makapag-join. Diyan kasi masisigurado mo na at least minimum once or 12 times maging sales master ka in a year. Kasi in a year may chance ka 24 times, 'di ba? Pero at least ma-achieve mo 12 times, makakapasok ka sa na yan. Kasi yan, sunod-sunod yan eh. Kapag ka naging Global Auto Sales Master Club ka, susundan niya ng Leaders Club, Royal Leaders, Crown Leaders. So, dyan talaga mas nagiging stable ang income mo. Paano ang income dyan? At least minimum 40,000 nung nag-start na ako makapasok dyan every month. Part-time. Kasi di ba alam niyo naman na meron pa rin tayong full-time part-timer. So, at least matulungan ko lahat na mag-goal na makapasok kayo dyan. Okay? So, I'll be your host. And then, of course, at the end of this workshop, matututunan nyo kung ano pa details about the Atomy Company, Atomy itself. Bakit ba yun ang pangalan ng Atomy? Bakit ba ang official color natin blue and white? Alam mo, itong mga bagay na to, maliliit lang yan, very short. Pero it's very small details na pag pinagsama-sama ko, mas na-inlove ako kay Atomy. I think everybody needs to know. And of course, sa end ng workshop natin until March 24th actually is graduation. So wala nang lecture no, graduation na yon. Kaya don't miss the graduation. Nandyan tayo mamimigay ng mga award certificates and gifts, okay? So, mas matututo kayo about the products, magiging confident kayo about the business to show the plan to other people, matututo rin kayo navigate Atomy website, gumamit ng mobile app, of course, makapag-sign up ng mga tao, makapag-place ng orders on your own, maintindihan ng husto yung office, ipapakita ko rin yan, kung paano tingnan yung mga matching ng points, compensation plan, and of course, pinaka-importante dyan, mag-set ng goals, and para maging ready kayo to receive commission payout. Kasi talagang magpe-payout kayo. Ano rin ang magiging benefits ng lahat na magjo-join dito? This will leverage your business for sure, and you will be more confident in doing your business. You will be able to work with less supervision kasi nga, mas confident ka na sa lahat na matututunan nyo after this 8-week program. And of course, mapag-create ka at magkaroon ng stable consumer group, build your business group, and start creating passive income. Okay, so before that, we need to recite our Sales Master workshop commitment. So you have to just follow me, okay? So please unmute yourself. So lahat dapat committed. Yan. Pag hindi ka committed, wala magko-commit sa'yo. Sige kayo dyan.
Raise your right hand.
Mag-mute. Oo, totoo talaga.
Raise
Ginawa talaga
your
ng
right hand.
Please raise your right hand. Kailangan committed tayong lahat. Dahil nauubo na naman din ako. Wait.
Okay, it's recorded.
Nauubo tuloy. Joke. O yan. Okay, raise your right hand.
Okay.
Number 1, I will attend all classes which will be held via Zoom with camera at all times.
Okay.
Repeat.
I will
attend all
classes
which
will
be held
via
via
Zoom
Zoom
with camera
all the
at
time.
all times.
Okay, alam ko mahina yung internet minsan kaya nagko-close ng camera. I get you guys. Pero as much as possible, we encourage everyone talaga. Diba pag nasa classroom ka, tatakpan mo yung mukha mo? Hindi. So kailangan naka-open. Pakita niyo yung mga face para alam ko nakikinig kayo. Number 2, I will complete all homework and participate in daily 8 core activities.
I will
complete all homework
and participate in
daily 8 core
activities.
I will participate in the weekly class discussion and activities.
I will
participate in the
weekly class discussion and activities.
I will be on time.
I will
be on time.
Tandem, bawal late, ha? I will have an undivided attention while attending the school.
I will have an
undivided attention
while attending
the school.
I will focus and learn as much as possible to become a successful Atomy business owner.
I will
focus and learn as much
as
possible to become a
successful
Atomy business owner.
O, ayan ha. Dahil dyan, committed na lahat. Hands down. Nakalagay dyan, I will please refrain from cooking, laying down, and other activities na nakahiga ka na. Kailangan mo ng ballpen at saka ng notebook para mag-jot ka ng notes. Okay? So, yan. I'm hoping and I'm looking forward. Expectations ko na talagang lahat ay makikinig ng maayos kapag nagsimula na. And simula na tayo ngayon. So ano yung i-cover natin for this week 1? We're gonna discuss company motto and philosophy, life scenario, and of course, yung assignment natin at the end of the presentation. Okay, let's start. So, oh, hold on. Bakit may picture? Okay. Okay, let's start about the corporate philosophy. Atomy opened in last June 1, 2009. So if you will do the math, 19, 20, 20. Mahina ako sa mahina ako sa So 15 years na tayo sa June. Tama ba? 2024. So yan. So ang founder natin, of course, si Chairman Hangil Park. We have more than 15 million members worldwide. Approximately, meron tayong global employees of 650. Ano na yun ha? Kasama na yung lahat ng mga branches. So, hindi ko lang alam kung ilan talaga employee ng mga tao. Sila yung mga nag-aasikaso ng mga one-day seminars, Success Academy, every time na ginaganap yan. Siguro pinakamarami Pilipinas. Kasi every week may one-day seminar sila dyan. Diba? And of course, yung mga global region natin, we already open in 27 branches or regions, including Europe. Sa Europe, may, of course, merong almost more than 25 countries under that. That actually makes us more than 50 countries open na ang Atomy. And we provide, alam nyo na, yung mga necessities from health, personal, beauty products, mga food, diba, skincare, mga gamit sa bahay, meron din tayo niyan. And ang headquarters natin is, of course, sa South Korea. Magkamali ako, masabi ko pala, South Korea, okay? So, malinaw po yun. Makikita niyo yan. Papakita ko yung website kung saan niyo makikita yan. So, sa mga hindi pa nakakakilala, ito yung mga 3 main people ng Atomy. Of course, si Chairman Hangil Park. si Danny Kim, CEO, at saka si Songgun Choi, dalawa na kasi yung CEO natin. Pero i-explain natin kung ano yung mga background nila. So, nung 2013, Chairman Park has been the Vice President of Korean Society of Food Science and Nutrition. And then 2 years after that, naging Vice President na rin siya ng Korea Direct Selling Industry Association. In 2019 up to present, siya na ang current chairman ng Atomy. Because before, actually, kahit nung nag-start ako, nung nag-register ako back in 2016, ang tawag pa kay Chairman Park is CEO, hindi pa chairman. Pero syempre dahil nga nag-expand na tayo globally, so naging iba na yung title niya. Kailangan niya na ng mga ibang CEO, right? So, kaya tawag na kay Chairman, kay Mr. Park is Chairman Park. Okay, siya na ang current chairman ng Atomy Corporate Limited. Current member din siya ng CEO Council of World Federation Direct Selling Association. So, ano yung WFDSA? Yan is an organization na nag-check ng mga direct selling company, not just sa Korea, not just in Canada or Philippines, sa buong mundo. And I believe in 2025, si Atomy Chairman Park or Atomy will host yung council meeting annually ng WFDSA. So, very proud talaga tayo dyan na si Chairman Park ang mag-host niyan. And of course, siya din ang current president na ngayon ng Korea Direct Selling Association. So, marami na talaga siyang achievements. And he graduated PhD in Business Administration in Wusong University in Korea and an honorary doctorate of Mixology in Canada Christian College. He used to come all the time sa Canada. Kaya lang, basta may rason siya bakit ngayon nag-stop siya magpunta dito. Anyways, hindi ko na yun isasama sa presentation. And of course, si Danny Kim, yan yung English name niya, pero in Korean, it's Daeyoon Kim. Noong 2009, he's a general director ng Global Business Department. Siya rin talaga noong 2018 nang tumulong para makapag-expand ang Atomy globally sa US, Australia, Mexico. Ang laki talaga ng tulong ni Mr. Danny Kim talaga sa natin, pag-open ng Atomy. Kasi di ba si Chairman Park, di naman talaga siya business person, but again, kailangan natin ng maraming connections para makapag-expand sa ibang bansa. So, si CEO Danny Kim ang tumulong sa atin dyan. Okay? And then next, si Songgun Choi, CEO din siya. So, nag-stay din siya sa Korea as well. Nag-work sila together with Mr. Danny Kim. Hindi ko siya masyadong nakikita. Hindi ko sure kung nagpunta na siya dito sa Canada. Kaya wala pa akong picture sa kanya. I cannot remember. But hopefully, I can meet him in person. Actually, I did pala nung nagpunta ako ng Korea just recently. So, ayan. Okay? So, kailangan kilala niyo yung mga tao behind the scene, CEO natin, na talaga namang very clean ang kanyang background. Talagang itatrust mo naman si Chairman Park. Because that also reflects yung company, di ba? Kung sino yung CEO, nagre-reflect yun sa company natin. So kung magtataka kayo bakit ang color ng Atomy's official blue at saka Atomy white. Because blue represents Atomy's people-centered corporate culture and hope for the future as it aims for customer success. Kasi nga, di ba, pag nakikita mo yung color blue, para, yun parang laging safe, clean, hope, yan yung nire-represent ng color na yan. At the same time, nandiyan din yung white because it represents a clean image of Atomy products based on medical concept, of course. It also represents purity, honesty, and embodies the transparent and honest spirit of Atomy. Kaya medyo malinaw yan. Makita nyo, bakit kaya laging blue yung notebook, blue yung ganito, blue yung ganito? May rason kung bakit yan ang pinili ni Chairman Park. Okay? So, a little bit of background sa history ng Atomy. Nung nag-start tayo ng 2009, dyan na rin nakapasok ang Atomy sa Korea International Trade Association kasi they were preparing to really open and expand talaga globally kasi nasa vision na yan ni Chairman Park, di ba? Kaya nag-open ng June in 6 months, ang dami na nilang na-process. Of course, then 2010, na-establish ng Atomy Economics Research Institute na nag-focus na ready to open. Nung May kasi nag-open na ang Atomy US dun through sa Seattle, US. Okay? So, 2011, nag-open na rin ang Atomy Canada. Kaya ang official head office natin nasa Vancouver. Diyan tayo unang pumasok. And of course, nag-open na rin ang Japan. 2011, doon din tayo nakatanggap ng $5 million export tower. Can you imagine? Kasi 3 pa lang yung international branch natin, nag-receive na tayo ng award. A year after that, di ba, nag-reach from 5 million to 20 million. Can you imagine? Ang laki, ang bilis ng growth ng Atomy. And in less than 4 years, na-reach na natin over 1.4 million Korean network marketing industry. Lumaki na talaga. And 10 million US dollar export tower. So marami ng awards. Kung gusto nyo makita yan, ay papakita ko yung website kung saan yan kinuha sa Global Atomy. Kasi yung iba, hindi kayo familiar sa website na yun kasi yung nakita nyo lang yung shopping mall. Yung official Global Atomy website, business, hindi nyo pa yata na-browse. Pero I'll show that to you later. So next, walang tanong doon, malinaw tayo. Okay. So kung may questions kayo, ilagay nyo sa chat box or isulat nyo mamaya para balikan natin. Now, let's go to corporate philosophy. So, hindi naman masyadong marami. Meron lang tayong management objectives na itatouch, founding principles, management philosophy, of course, company motto, and yung culture ng Atomy. So, let's go into it. Ano yung management objectives? There are 3. So, meron tayong tinatawag na customer success, distribution hub, and premier company. So, ano-ano yan? Very simple. Customer success, ang gustong matutunan ng Atomy dyan sa customer success, everybody to be successful, is the philosophy of cow versus baby. Anyone here who have heard this? Pretty sure yung mga leaders, not the first time. Yes, Sales Master A. Victor, pa-unmute po.
Yan, so nabasa ko rin lang sa mga articles yung cow and baby. Yung cow kasi inaalagaan mo siya dahil meron kang pakinabang sa kanya, yung sa kanyang milk o kaya sa kanyang meat. Pero yung baby, inaalagaan mo kasi siya without expecting anything in return. So, yun yung difference ng cow and baby philosophy. So, sa Atomy, mas prefer niya yung philosophy sa pag-take care ng baby. Lalo na sa mga consumers, sa mga business partners natin sa Atomy. So, yun yung pagka-intindi ko po. Yung tama.
Thank you so much, Tito Ray. Yeah, very short and sweet. Wala nang palabok, wala nang masyadong sahog yun. Totoo naman yun, nag-aalaga tayo ng baby kasi binavalue natin yung tao, di ba? So, very simple yun. Hindi dahil lang may pakinabang tayo. Yan ang pinaka-concept ng Atomy. Naniniwala siya, ma-achieve natin or ng Atomy yung pinaka-goal nila to give the customer everybody, make everybody successful through this philosophy ng baby philosophy. Okay, next, distribution hub. Ang aim ng Atomy or goal niya talaga is to be the leading distribution hub. How? Ginagawa niya yun through global sourcing and global sales strategy. Kasi ini-aim niya to be the best, di ba? Distribution hub in the world na kailangan mas maganda pa siya sa Amazon, sa Alibaba, sa Temu, na papasikat yung Temu, daming bumibili, hindi nagtataka talaga ako. Gusto niyo bang yumaman ng yumaman si Temu? Ano ba? So, hindi ako bumibili dyan sa mga yan. Pero yun yung ang Atomy ang magiging central unit na magiging distribution network kasi lahat ng necessities ng mga tao sa buong mundo would actually be accessible through Atomy. Na ang i-offer lang na, paano yung gagawin ng company? Of course, we only offer ang promise ng Atomy, absolute quality, absolute price. So, hindi ka makakabili ng products na hindi top quality sa website natin. Very simple, right? Nakita niyo yung sinabi nila na yung honesty, yung medical concept ng mga products natin, everything has to be clean and competitive, kumbaga, sa global market. And of course, aim din ng Atomy management objective to be the premier company through honesty and goodness is the best strategy. Yan lang naman talagang pinangahawakan ng Atomy. Yan yung philosophy nila na nagde-describe ng corporate values natin. So, in return, dapat tayong mga members, tayong consumers, tayong business people, honesty and goodness. Maging honest tayo sa lahat ng mga members natin at saka ng mga buyers, mga customers natin. 'Di ba? Yan talaga kasi kailangan ang gusto ng Atomy, makapag-produce tayo ng mga individuals or members na mag-a-add ng value sa company natin. Of course, na yung moral standards, magpa-follow ng moral standards ng company. Okay? Next, founding principles. So, 3 rin yan. So, may tinatawag tayong being or continuity, speed, and balance. So, ano ba yon? Yung being or continuity, of course, ito yung para magtuloy-tuloy yung business natin because the company aim to last more than 100 years. Why? Kasi nai-inherit natin yung income natin sa Atomy into 3 generations. Kung ang company hindi mag-aim to last 100 years, hindi natin to maipapamana sa mga anak at apo natin to 3 generations, di ba? So masasayang yung pinaghihirapan. So yun ang pinagkaiba ng Atomy, di ba? Na sisiguraduhin niya talaga through what? Cost management, operations management, human resource management. So isa din sa mga ano nila, goal nila is yung uh, zero debt policy. Walang utang. Ang ganda nito talaga, walang utang, zero debt policy. Walang utang ang Atomy sa kahit na kaninong supplier. In fact, favorite sila na customer ng mga manufacturers because Atomy pays in advance. And I hope ito rin yung magandang culture na magawa natin as a business person na iwasan nating hanggat maaari, zero debt policy tayo para mas mabilis mag-grow yung business. Kasi kung uutangan tayo ng uutangin sa mga sponsors, mga taong nag-business, mababaon din sila sa utang. Same thing, Atomy. Can you imagine kung lahat tayo bumibili ng products tapos di natin binabayaran si Atomy? Ano na lang mangyayari kay Atomy? Diba? So, maganda din talaga yan. And meron silang low level of fixed cost based on the pipeline theory. Yung mga fixed cost na yun, kaya, di ba, kaya tayo online para ma-lessen na yung, di ba nung nag-COVID, can you imagine, close yung mall, walang pwedeng pumasok sa mall. Ano nangyari sa mga malls ngayon? Nag-turn sila into online. Very simple. Everything is really turning into an online business. Maganda kay Atomy, hindi siya nagpapaiwan kasi nandiyan na tayo next sa speed, adaptation, information, business expansion. Diyan nagfo-focus din si Atomy. Sorry, no. Si Atomy, sa speed of adaptation, nandiyan na yung industrial revolution. 'Di ba? Because of this industrial revolution, wala natatapos na tayo sa Stone Age. 'Di ba? Na lahat talaga ngayon online na and very technical. Tanggapin na natin 'yan. Ang kailangan natin gawin ngayon is matuto tayong mag-adapt doon. Sobrang proud ako kay Atomy. Bakit? Kasi almost every month, ilang products ang pinoproduce nila na bago. Na parang dati ang mga moisturizer ipapahid mo. Ngayon may mga moisturizer tayo, i-spray mo lang. 'Di ba? Meron pa mga stick na lang yung moisturizer mo, lalagay mo na lang sa wallet mo, kasya na sa bulsa. 'Di ba? Ganun kaganda eh. Yung pangkulot ng buhok, yung ano, ipapainitin mo tapos ilalagay mo nang hindi nasisira yung buhok mo. Ang ganda. Tapos 'di ba yung mga pampatubo, yung mga hair tonic, can you imagine? Diba? Walang ganun dati. Kailangan gugo ka, maglagay ka ng 'di ba? Ngayon pinrocess na lahat 'yan ni Atomy. Hindi tayo nagpapahuli. Number 1 tayo pagdating sa technology when it comes to that. Okay, kasi yan din because of that makakapag-expand ng business. Paano naman yung sa speed of information? This is more of sharing accurate information as quickly as possible is very important din yan kay Atomy, 'di ba? Makapag-transfer ng mga accurate information simultaneously without altering the original message. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, may mga official website ng Atomy, nandiyan ang information, nandiyan ang YouTube, pare-parehas ang information. So, kailangan ito rin ang i-relay nating message sa mga tao. Hindi yung parang lagi dadagdagan pa natin ng kung ano-ano. I-refer nyo lang sa website, basahin nyo ng paulit-ulit para mas maintindihan nyo, mas ma-memorize nyo, mas madali nyo ma-share sa mga tao. At pag tinanong ka, madali ka rin makakasagot. Okay? Next, yung balance. Atomy seeks to fulfill social responsibility through balanced distribution of wealth. Kasi nga yung compensation plan natin may konsensya. But of course, it's not just about naman yung compensation plan, yung pagiging balance na yan. So, itong business na to, naniniwala si Atomy na hindi lang members, hindi lang consumers ang dahilan kung bakit sila magiging successful. Nandiyan na rin of course ang mga manufacturers, yung mga employees, na talagang kasi kung may consumers nga, kung wala namang manufacturer, 'di ba? O sino magsusupply ng mga products na bibili natin? Walang business. So lahat 'yon may roles na ginagampanan or social responsibility para ma-achieve ng lahat yung wealth at yung goal na tina-target natin, 'di ba? Na iniin natin. Next, management philosophy. Sabihin niyo kung masyado akong mabilis para babagalan ko ng konti. Okay? Yung management philosophy, ang talagang sinasabi ni Chairman Park, a small but big company with precise management. Alam niyo yung mga tinatawag na lang small but terrible? Di ba? Hindi mo masasabing dahil maliit siya, ito lang ang ma-achieve niya. O kasi hindi siya nakatapos hanggang dito lang siya. Walang ganon. Di ba? Pinaniniwalaan ni Chairman Park na kasi kung i-compare mo si Atomy, sasabihin nila, oh, hindi ko kilala si Atomy, hindi ko bakit ganon? Ba't ang liit lang ng office? Bakit isa lang yung ganito? Bakit sa Vancouver lang, tapos ang liit pa ng office, hindi yung malaki, gano'n. Naniniwala kasi si Atomy na hindi natin kailangan, yung mga unnecessary expense na ganyan, maganda i-eliminate na lang at to pay careful attention to details or nung system. Mas importante na mayroon ka talagang magandang system, di ba? And of course, yung mindset, wala sa liit yan eh. Nasa big company mindset. Yan ang meron si Atomy, di ba? It encourage customers to succeed big, to think big. Employees also feels big happiness. Sino? Employees, consumers, members, tayong lahat yon. Everyone gives back to society in a big way. Kapag nag-succeed na tayo, everybody succeed big, right? Hindi lang basta na-occupied sa size ng company or dun sa wealth. It has to be yung rock solid structure ng company. Yan ang pinaniniwalaan ni Chairman Park. And of course, company motto. Sino bang hindi in love sa company motto? Kaya ako na-attract sa company. Not more than the income, yung company motto talaga. Ano yan? Yung nire-recite natin parate. Cherish the spirit, create the vision, follow the faith, serve in humility. Cherish the spirit based on John 13:34 to 35. A new command I give you, love one another as I have loved you, so you must love one another. O paulit-ulit na yan, love one another. Galing na po sa Bible. Yan ang sinabi ni God sa atin, di ba? Yan ang commandment. So, yun na yun, shortcut na yan ng cherish the spirit. Di ba? Do nothing out of your selfish ambition or vain conceit. Kasi itong cherish the spirit, malayo talaga ang mararating din yan. Kaya dapat mag-focus tayo dyan. I-remind nyo ulit yung sarili nyo kapag naiinis kayo sa mga partners na hindi uma-attend ng mga meeting or hindi kayo pinapansin or dinededma kayo. Yeah. So, ako nire-remind ko rin sarili ko parati. Create the vision. There's no other accurate way to actually predict the future more than planning it yourself. Diba? So, sinong ina-expect nyo mag-create ng vision or mag-set ng goals for you? I can set goals for everybody. Ang tanong, magugustuhan nyo ba yung goal na isa-set ko? Diba? It has to come from you talaga. Kasi everybody has to take initiative in your own thinking so that you will be in charge of your own future. Then wala kang i-blame na kahit na kanino sa kung ano yung mangyayari sa'yo, only yourself. Okay? But Atomy, mamaya pag-uusapan natin yung creating the vision kasi magsiset tayo ng goals. And then of course, follow the faith based din sa book ng Hebrews. Now, faith is the assurance of things hoped for, the conviction of things not seen. Faith involves firmly believing in the reality of things that are not yet visible to our physical senses. Madali kasing maniwala kapag ang bagay nasa harap mo na. Maraming pinag-uusapan, oh, yung multo, yung multo. Eh, hindi pa ako nakakita ng multo, so hindi ako naniniwala. Pero si God, hindi ko pa nakita eh. Buhay pa ako. Sabi nila kasi kapag namatay ka makikita mo. Pero kailangan ko bang makita para paniwalaan yun? Kayo po ba? Kailangan nyo bang makita para maniwala? You gonna feel that, right? You only need to feel, you don't need to see. So, yan yung genuine faith. So, dapat, kung meron kang goals, meron kang dreams, hindi pa yan nangyayari. Hindi ko pa alam kung magiging Imperial Master ako, hindi pa ako sigurado. That's the truth right now because I'm just a Sharon Rose, but I'm halfway. Pero naniniwala ako, I can do it. I can do it. I will achieve it. Magiging Crown Master. Lahat ng nandito ngayon, magiging Royal, magiging Star Master. Right? And then, of course, serve in humility. Based din yan sa Bible in Proverbs 3:34. God opposes the proud but gives grace to the humble. Even yung mga famous scholar like Aristotle and Socrates, Aristotle understood humility as a moral virtue, di ba? Na sandwich between vices of arrogance and moral weakness. Si Socrates naman believed that humility includes self-knowledge and a generous acknowledgement of the qualities of others that avoids distortion and extremes. So, ibig sabihin talaga hindi mo mararating yung end goal mo kung wala tayong humility. Kailangan yun. May tanong kayo doon bago po ako mag-proceed? Malinaw po. Gusto ko idagdag, Sales Master Ray. Nag-unmute ka eh. You wanna add something?
Ay, wala. Sorry.
We're good? Sinong in love sa company motto? Yeah. In love talaga sa company motto. Marami kang makikitang company na business na siguro although mag-earn ka, pero iba yung company na may puso. Kaya lagi kong sinasabi, only company with the heart. Tanungin ko nga sila Tito Ray, sila Tita Eva, you can answer whoever. Kasi ang dami na talaga ang dami na experience, di ba? More than 20 years of networking business experience. Sa dami yung na-experience na networking, narinig nyo na tong company motto na to somewhere dun sa mga businesses na yun.
Sa 20 years, first time, this is the first time that I heard a network marketing company starting everything with its company motto. It defines yung sabi mo nga SR Maria na it defines yung company, yung heart niya, yung kanyang soul. You just have to
Diba?
understand each motto na sinasabi. Pero
Correct.
ano naman siya, madali naman sa nakakaunawa, madaling intindi kasi.
Correct. Totoo naman. Di na self-explanatory na di ba? So, yun. Thank you, Tito Ray. So, even 20 years of experience, wala silang na-experience na ganito sa dami ng networking business na i-offer sa kanila. Okay. So, next na. Malapit na to. Don't worry. 3 cultures of Atomy. So, of course, Atomy aims to become a 100-year company and more. The culture of observing principles inspire Atomians to adhere to principles to benefit all members of society. And growing together help members, consumers, and local communities benefit from win-win partnerships. Kasi nga, alam mo niyo yung concept na I'm a Sharon Rose Master, pero hindi ko naman talaga maa-attain yung Sharon Rose na yun kung wala akong partners na nag-challenge kasama ko, na nag-work hard talaga, maging Diamond Master, maging Sales Master. It's a win-win for everyone. Hindi siya kagaya ng mga ordinaryong company or businesses na parang mapopromote ka ng ganito, ikaw lang, pero yung mga members mo wala, or parang hindi naman din sila nag-grow, ikaw, yung ganon. Atomy kasi wala hanggat hindi ko mag-step up na maging Star Master, my members will just remain Diamond. Pero, magbe-benefit. Tapos at the same time, hindi lang yung company yung nag-grow. Yung mga employees, di ba? Actually, may rule si Atomy. Yung mga employees natin, bawal silang mag-sign up sa Atomy. Isa yun sa mga nila. Pero naniniwala ako talaga na compensated ng maayos even yung mga employees. Kumbaga halimbawa, let's say, yung Atomy Canada, yung mga manager ng per country manager, right? Parang ang progress nila, base sila pag nakapag-create ka ng Imperial Master sa bansa mo, that will reflect on you as an employee. Sila, di ba, na nandun din yung income nila. Kaya ang ganda, win-win talaga for each and every member ng Atomy, di ba? And of course, yung culture of sharing is a way of communicating and showing love toward others. Yung, di ba nagkaroon sila ng fun run ulit sa Taiwan this year, 2024? So maganda yun. Ever since na nag-open si Atomy 2009, na kahit na start-up pa lang siya, wala pa talagang malaking income si Atomy, hindi pa niya na-hit yung $1 billion niya. Nagkakandak na siya ng charity sa iba't ibang bansa, not just in Korea. So, yan yung end ng ating corporate philosophy. Now, I'm gonna go to life scenario. Kasi ang bawat goal dito, kagaya kanina ang sinabi ni Sharon Rose Master Leia, na ang end goal niya is to really have something na ma-inherit niya sa mga anak niya, is para sa mga anak and stuff, right? But each and every person, life's goal talaga natin, balanced life. Kasi yung balanced life na magkaroon ka sa mga taong mahal mo sa buhay, ma-fulfill yung flesh, soul, spirit, and environment. So yan ang sabi ni Chairman Park. Everybody's goal is to live well, to learn, to love, and to contribute. So, makikita nyo yan sa Atomy website. Papakita ko kasi kanina kung nakita nyo yung life scenario ko, meron akong previous life scenario. I'm gonna show you. So, sa flesh, para ma-fulfill yung needs ng flesh natin to live well, everybody nangangarap na magkaroon ng maayos na tahanan kung nagre-rent ka for now. Gusto mo syempre magkaroon ng bahay, di ba? May papamana mo rin yan sa mga anak mo, mga apo mo, money, makapag-save ka, bakasyon. Sino bang hindi or ayaw magbakasyon? Of course, everybody wants to also go on vacation, makapag-build ng business, savings. Yung iba siguro nagsisimula pa lang, ang goal nila is to find a job, di ba? Business or job. And then yung health mo, kung halimbawa ngayon, hindi ako interesado talaga mag-business, di ko nahabol yung income. Ang gusto ko na lang ngayon yung health ko ma-better yung health ko, di ba? So yan. Andyan, magsimula tayo sa step 1. After nyan, syempre, kapag na-fulfill mo, meron ka na, lagi ka pa rin kulang. So may mga members tayo na parang, they feel like they have everything, they accomplish so much in their life, retired na sila, hindi na nila kailangan ng kahit ano. However, may kulang pa rin, di ba? So minsan, may gusto tayong gawin, hobbies, or leisure time, or education, learning, na gusto mo, yung iba nga umahatin lang dito dahil gusto lang talagang makapakinig Di ba? Kasi may natututunan tayo every time. So, pasok naman tayo dyan sa soul to learn. And then of course, punta tayo to feel in our spirit, to love. So, nandiyan na pumapasok yung mga taong mahalaga sa buhay natin. Yung mga asawa mo, parents mo, anak, kapatid, of course, yung faith, yung church, di ba? Nandiyan na rin yan papasok. Each and every relationships, di ba? So, yan. Kailangan ma-fulfill. And next, yung to contribute environment. Sabi nga ni Chairman Park, you need to think big, you need to succeed big para big happiness, then contribute big. Contribute back to society. So, through donations, o kaya service, volunteer. Isa lang naisip ko, hihintayin ko pa ba na lumaki yung income ko bago ako tumulong sa iba? Minsan nga kahit yung volunteer lang na kahapon lang nag-discuss ako, 'di ba? Kung gusto niyo mag-volunteer because of the global warming every summer, may mga activities na clean up sa mga parks or mga lugar, pwede din 'yun. O kaya sa sick kids or mga small hospitals, pwede ka mag-volunteer ng time mo 1 or 2 hours. 'Di ba? Na full week. So malaking bagay din. Diyan ka rin kasi makakamit ng mga tao. So I used to do that before nung COVID sa youth shelter. And papasok na tayo sa SMART goals. Pero, sige, tapusin natin to bago ko ipakita yung website. Actually, before dyan, meron pala tong link. Okay. Ayaw mag-connect ng link. Anyways, paano natin isusulat yung life scenario natin? So, paano mag-set ng goals? Okay? So, may tinatawag tayong SMART goals. It has to be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. So, punta muna tayo sa specific. In order for a goal to be effective, it needs to be specific. A specific goal answer questions like, ano ba yung dapat ma-accomplish? Sino ba dapat yung responsible for that goal? Ano ba yung mga steps na gagawin natin para ma-achieve natin yon? So, thinking through those questions, it will help you get to the heart of what you're really aiming for. It can be yung mga small goals tsaka big goals. Pwede kang magawa ng example. Ito yung gagawin natin example. Example, I want to build my consumer group in order to create more points and double my income. Ano yung consumer group? Yung team mo, yung left mo, yung right side mo. Kasi kapag malaki na yung consumer group mo, bakit? Magkakaroon ka ng maraming points, madodoble na yung income mo. So, let's say, yan yung specific goals. Ngayon, punta tayo sa measurable. Quantifying your goals makes it easier to track progress and know when you reach your time or yung finish line ng goal mo. So, kailangan daw measurable ka. Example, I will sign up. Be specific, di ba? Specific, measurable. Sign up 5 people on my left, sign up people on my right group. Measurable? Yes. Kasi nga, ngayon, binigyan mo na ng number. Quantifiable na yon. 5 sa kaliwa, 5 sa kanan. Ang tanong, hanggang kailan? So, hindi pa tapos yan. Ano yung A, achievable? This is the point in the process when you give yourself a serious reality check. Goals should be realistic, not pedestals from which you're inevitably tumble na parang, mag-goal ako, gusto ko magiging Imperial Master by 2025. Like, hello, Sharon Rose Master pa lang ako. You think magiging Imperial ako in the next 1 year? Imposible, di ba? So, hindi ako mag-goal ng ganun. I-goal ko yung talaga realistically. Pwede kong i-goal, I will become Star Master by end of 2025. Yan, realistic. Di ba? So, bigyan ko kayo ng example. I will talk to 5 people every day because 5 people every day will be 75 people in 15 days. Iko-connect mo yan dun sa specific goal mo na gusto mo kasi mag-build ng consumer group. Ngayon, anong gagawin mo? Para mag-sign up ako ng 5 people left and right. And at the same time, I will talk to 5 people every day. Ngayon, doon na tayo sa R. Ano yung R? Relevant. Here's what you need to think about the big picture. Why are you setting the goal na sineset mo? Bakit nga ba? Diba? Example, I want to create 300,000 points every 15 days to double my income. So ngayon medyo mas na-enlighten na. Noong una, gusto mo lang mag-grow ng consumer group, magsa-sign up ka ng tao, di ba? Tapos makikipag-usap ka sa 5 tao. Ngayon, specific, dadagdagan mo pa. 300,000 points every 15 days. Kasi ang gusto ko talaga, ma-double yung income ko eh. Okay? And then now, yung T, time bound. When will the team start creating and implementing the task na na-identify mo o yung sinet mo? When will they finish? When are we gonna finish? Let's say February 1 to 15. Now, let's put them all together. Yung SMART goals na yan or yung target natin. Sa lahat ng nag-goal, February 4 pa lang ngayon, ito yung i-goal natin. Let's say, by end of February 15, 2024, I aim to build my consumer group in order to create 300,000 point values and double my income to 5,000 pesos. Let's say kasi ang isang payout 2,500, ang dalawang payout 5,000. Let's say last year kasi ng month ng February, naka-isang payout lang ako. You need to compare yourself not to anyone else because you're only competing with yourself here. So balikan mo ano yung income mo last year para i-goal mo na doblehin yun. This time, gusto mo triplehin mo, it's up to you. This is your goal, right? Us as a sponsor will help you and guide you paano natin ma-achieve yung goal mo na yan, right? By signing up 5 people on my left and 5 people on my right group in 15 days. To achieve this, I will talk to 5 people every day. That's 75 people in 15 days. This will help me create 300,000 points through the partners buying minimum 400 pesos per person. Kasi kapag minultiply mo yung 400 pesos to 75, that's 30,000 pesos. Pag may 30,000 pesos ka, makapag-create ka ng 300,000 PV. Kasi alam nyo kung bakit? 400 pesos. Yan ang average expenditure ng mga tao na kaya nilang i-spend sa mga maliliit na bagay. Yung mga shampoo, conditioner, BB cream, coffee. Yan. Kasi magkano ang sweldo sa Pilipinas? Daily basis, that's minimum nila 500 to 550. Pero sa province, iba pa yung provincial rate na tinatawag. Okay? So sa mga nandito ngayon, today is February 4. If you goal by end of February 15, you really want to create more points, double your income, you need to build your team. Start talking to 5 people every day. Let's say February 4 na. So hahabulin mo yung 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's 20 days. And bago kayo sulat niyo yung pangalan nila, okay? Para hindi umulit yung pangalan. And then bago kayo matulog, after niyo i-message yung mga tao, kahit di sila mag-reply, it's okay. Just mag-hi, hello lang kayo to 20 people tonight before you go to bed. And then, write another 5 names na kakausapin nyo for tomorrow. Kailangan naka-prepare ka na for tomorrow para hindi ka lost. So, alam mo kung ano yung i-discuss mo sa kanila. This is really good kasi nag-start na si Sales Master Remy with this strategy. And I'm very happy. She called me last night at sinabi niya na, oh Maria, tinry ko na ganito. Actually, 15 na pero 20 yung nakausap ko eh. O ano pong nangyari? O nag-follow up ako dun sa mga buyers na ang ganda pala ng feedback nila sa products. Hindi ko sila nakamusta before and stuff like that. Can you imagine? Kasi sinimulan niya na. So, I encourage everyone to please start this tonight. Diba? O kaya para mahabol nyo, 10 muna ngayon, tapos 10 ulit bukas sa 10 ulit. Para lang mahabol nyo from starting February 1st. Okay? So ngayon patapos na tayo. Assignment. Write your life scenario and be ready to discuss by next week, Sunday. So I will call out a few people para mag-discuss ng kanilang life scenario. So that's actually the end. Kikita nyo ba yung screen ko po? Okay. So actually, ito yung life scenario. Actually, may video ako dito. Let's watch this very quick, short video.
Atomy's life scenario has been updated in 2020. Please write down your name, membership ID, and affiliated center on the first page. Read both President Park's poem and the life scenario manual. Atomy's new life scenario is divided into 8 parts. Part 1, the bucket list. Here you can make a list of your wishes. Writing tip. Fill them with specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound wishes. Part 2, the life wheel. This part will help you define a balanced life that is fulfilling, loving, learning, and contributing. Writing tip. First, set 8 keywords to classify your life goals. Second, evaluate your current situation with a dot and join all the dots to create your life wheel. Last, write your goals in detail. Part 3, Big Plan 3. Here you can set and track your promotion goals in Atomy. Writing tip. Give yourself 3 years to achieve your goals and write in detail the target mastership level, income, and PVs. Part 4, the monthly life wheel. Here you can evaluate your progress towards achieving your goals in the life wheel. Writing tip. Your thoughts on values and goals may have been changed over time. You can create a better life wheel by adjusting your goals accordingly. Part 5, monthly business goals and plans. Here you can write your goals and plans for each month. Writing tip. Write down your monthly business goals and plans using the 8 steps to success. Make a to-do list with specific items needed to be done for your business. At the bottom, your monthly progress can be divided into 2 sections, with records of your income, sales PVs, and mastership level. Keep your commitment to the business by checking your current status. Part 6, the monthly 8 core checklist. This checklist will guide you to do your business effectively. Writing tip. What is 8 core? Reading, watching videos, attending meetings, using products, STP, talking to consumers, consulting sponsors, and building trust. Check every day and mark with an O or an X. Part 7, monthly 8 steps to success assessment. Here you can write a self-assessment of your own monthly business activities. Writing tip. Evaluate yourself on a scale of 1 to 5 on each category of the 8 steps to success. Calculate the growth of your business by connecting these dots and adding up the total score each month. Improve your business by using the self and sponsor feedback and reviewing your actions. Part 8, Diary from My Future Self. The final part of the life scenario is to write a message from the viewpoint of your future self. Writing tip. Determine how and when you will have achieved your dreams and describe a vivid picture of what will have happened in the future. Check out the example provided by Chairman Han Gil Park. Atomy's life scenario will point you to the right direction for your Atomy business, and it will be a guidebook for the success of all Atomy members. You can find Atomy's new life scenario in Atomy's online shopping mall.
You're muted, Maria. We can't hear you.
I know, talking ako ng talking. Thank you, Sales Master. Kung gusto niyong mapanood yung video na yan, magkakreate ako ng bagong group para sa lahat ng participants ng ating Sales Master Workshop. Okay? Kasi magsisimula na tayo ng 8 core activities natin alongside our workshop. And yung mga gustong magkaroon ng ano ba? Kikita. Ayan. Ng live scenario, magsabi lang kayo. Tingnan ko kung ilan pa yung stocks na meron ako dito kasi bumili rin ako sa Pilipinas nung umuwi ako doon. Or magpa-order ako sa mga sponsors in person kung gusto nyo nito. Pero ngayon, ang ipapakita ko is yung ating live scenario sa online. Kasi nga, isa to sa assignment. So, kailangan, alam nyo kung paano mag-write ng live scenario dun sa online. Okay? Hindi ka. Ililipat-lipat. Nakadaming screen. Ililipat-lipat ko lang. Arrange ko lang ito. Please bear with me. screen number 3. So ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung aking life scenario. My life scenario is not perfect. No, it's not. I can still edit, I can update, I can change. So, meron tayong dalawang klase ng life scenario or life plan. Pwede kang gumawa yung big na parang yearly life scenario mo or yung balance wheel. And then, you also do monthly. Yun yung nandito actually. Yan. Kapag start na rin ako, meron din akong bucket list dito. Yan, may paragliding, may snorkeling akong sinalalagay dyan. Ganun. Anyway, so sa paggawa ng lifeline sa website, pisahan natin. Mag-login muna. So, balik ako sa homepage para alam kung saan to hahanapin. Okay? So, mag-login kayo sa www.atomy.com/PH sa Pilipinas /CA sa Canada, of course, /US sa US. So, ngayon, pag nakita mo yung homepage, ito siya, ganyan. Punta ka ng shopping mall pag gusto mong mamili. Yung life scenario natin, nandito siya sa office. So, punta ka sa office mo. May category dyan, my life scenario. So, pupuntahan mo yung life scenario mo. May life plan, may Atomy short-term map. So, view my life scenario. So, ngayon, may life scenario akong sinulat nung 2023, September. Meron din ako nitong recently, nung January, kasi assignment ito sa ABR course. So, pwede ka magsulat as many as you want, di ba? Or i-overwrite mo yung sinulat mo, i-update mo, pwede rin naman yun. So, let's say, for example, for mine, ang ganda nito, di ba? Kasi pwede ka mag-upload ng pictures. Actually, meron din naman siyang additional picture. So, right now, ang akin sa flesh ko, ang goal ko is mag-focus sa house at saka sa savings, di ba? So, nilagay ko dyan, let's say, I am a part owner of our townhouse with 2 bedrooms. This year, I would like to sell my house to be able to buy a bigger one in March 2025. So, isa yan sa mga set goals ko. Again, specific and saka time-bound. Diba? Specific yan, March 2025. Tapos sa savings, di ba? From 2022 and 2023, I use up all my savings when we face difficulties in the family. This year, 2024, I'm starting to save each month in preparation of having my own place. I will start $250 by January to $300 by June 2024. So currently, yung current ko, may 250 savings ako monthly. Gusto kong itaas yan ng $300 by June 2024. So yung ganyan, magkailangan mas specific ka. So pagdating naman sa aking soul to learn, ang priorities ko, gusto ko ng travel at saka ng hobby. So sa travel ko, I want to support my team across Canada. Makikita niyo yung screen ko? Kita niyo po, di ba? Yes, okay.
Yes.
So, I want to support my team across Canada and US. With that said, I will travel more to meet my partners. I also, kasi last year, just mga 2 years ago, talagang ilang beses naman ako nagpabalik-balik sa Pilipinas. No, biniyahe pa natin yung mga probinsya dyan para lang mamit sila ng Baguio, Pangasinan, sa Rizal, yan. So ngayon, mag-focus naman ako dito sa within Canada, different parts ng Canada, and of course, US. I also want to go at least 2 times personal vacation trip for the full year. So this coming February 2024, I want to go to Mexico. And then by April, I want to go to New York and then New Jersey. Then gusto ko magpunta sa Calgary ng June 2024, Winnipeg by September. And yung personal aking gustong puntahan ay gusto ko magpunta ng Grand Canyon. Sa US lang din naman yan. So malapit lang. So, isa yan sa mga goals ko. And of course, hobbies. I bought a ukulele year 2022. Starting this year, I want to learn how to play my ukulele, okay? By March 2024. February na. So, meron ako 2 months para mag-start yan. And I want to learn how to play a song before end of December 2024. So, gusto ko matutunan yung Can't Help Falling in Love. So, yung mga simpleng, yung yes, di ba, Tito Bong? Kasi yun yung pinakamadaling i-play sa ukulele, kayo talaga. So, mag-start muna ako dyan sa mga simple hobbies, yan. Ba? And then, of course, let's say sa environment, to contribute, I chose nature preservation tsaka donation. So, sa donation, currently, I'm supporting One Child in Compassion as well orphanage in the Philippines. This year, starting September 2024, I would like to increase my donation to the orphanage by extra $20. Yan. Tapos yung compassion, pag nag-Star Master, yan, mag-adopt na ako ulit ng isa pa dun sa compassion. And then sa nature, currently I joined the Eco Warriors group at my workplace. This group aims to make people aware of the preserving resources natin sa environment. This year, Starting summer, June 2024, I will join tree planting and cleanup activities in the fall by September. So, isa yan sa ko-contribute ko. And meron din ako, of course, sa spirit ko to love, faith, and relationship. For my faith, I will be more consistent in reading my Didache every day as part of my 8 core actions. Siyempre, hindi lang business book ang binabasa natin. Yan, starting January 2024. So, nabasa ko na to last year, pero sinisimulan ko siya ulit kasi hindi ako consistent at that time. Now, I want to be talagang bago ako matulog, I have to read 1 per day. I would love to attend mass, even online with my family starting February 2024. So, first Sunday to of the month. So, kailangan ko na itong simulan. Siya, tita, mamaya manood tayo niyan. Simulan na natin. Tapos gusto ko, nakasama ko rin ng father ko na manonood niyan. Kasi before talaga, I grew up going to church talaga with the whole family. Tapos mamamasyal kayo, ganyan. So, I really want to go back in there na wala kang excuse, di ba? Kailangan ma-fulfill yung needs na yan. And of course, yung relationship. Due to many activities last year, I'm not able to spend and get to know my new members. 'Di ba? Dati talaga, minimit ko sila, pinupuntahan in person. So, medyo maraming pangyayari last year kasi, ano mo mga nangyari? Ayun, 'di ba, pinadala tayo kung saan-saan ni Atomy, tapos nagkaroon kami ng Alaska cruise, nagpunta sa Korea, madaming kung anong ganap. I was always away. So now, I will have more time sa mga team building events with my partners this year starting January 2024 every other Friday na magkakaroon ako ng business meeting and I will connect more sa families ko starting din ng 2024 January. Kumbaga dati kung mag-usap kami ng kapatid ko kung kailan lang kami may kailangan sa isa't isa. Now of course I wanna make sure na every weekend matawagan ko sila o makamusta ko man lang yung mga families ko and relationship tsaka yung mga best friends ko. So, yan. So, example lang naman to, hindi rin perfect, pero pwede nyo siyang gawing reference to write your own life scenario. So, paano nyo gagawin yun? Di ba, nagpunta kayo dito sa life scenario. Punta ka sa step 1, life plan. Tapos, makikita mo, blanco yan, blanco. Step 1, 2, 3, and 4. Mamili ka ngayon. Let's say, halimbawa, ang gusto mong i-prioritize for this year or this month is yung health mo. At saka, of course, you want savings. So, pwede yan. Kasi sa inyo naman to. So, bahala kayong mamili. 2 lang per category, okay? So, pipili ka for your soul, na halimbawa gusto mo ng learning din, kagaya ko, gusto mo rin matuto ng something, mag-drawing or anything, or gusto mo matuto ng Korean language, di ba? So, pwede din yan kasi marami tayong mga Korean leaders. And then, gusto mo ng learning at saka gusto mo rin mag-travel, let's say, for example, spirit, gusto mo mag-focus sa iyong parents, tapos gusto mo rin na ma-improve yung faith mo, diba? Relationship with God. Sa environment naman, gusto mo ng service, mag-volunteer ka this time, o kaya gusto mo rin magkaroon ng nature preservation, kagaya nung sa akin, mag-volunteer tayo, mag-clean up sa barangay, pwede din yun. So ngayon, blanco din yan ulit. Gagawin mo lang, i-click mo lang yan ngayon. Punta ka sa health. So, di ba? Pwede kang mamili ng picture na gusto mo. O, kanyari, kaila Mama Carmen, kaila Tito Paul, magko-commit ka ang goal mo for your health this time. So, mag-type lang kayo dyan. Actually, available din to yan sa cellphone. So, makikita nyo yan dyan. So, itong lagay nyo kung ano yung ilalagay nyo na SMART goals for your health. And then yung achievement, kung na-achieve ko na ba to 20%, 40%, nasa na ba ako banda dun sa goals ko, di ba? Kunyari, hindi mo pa talaga nasimulan. So, 0 ka pa lang. Pero kung halimbawa, nagsimula ka na nung January, so gusto mong nasa 20% ka na, sabi ko, oh, kailangan makapag-squats ako or workout ako twice a week. Nasa na ba ako dun once a week? So, mga 20% pa lang ako. And then you can also attach your personal pictures kung ano yung mga gusto mong i-attach dyan. Okay? Tapos, after nyan, confirm. So, andyan, papasok na siya. So, puntahan nyo lang, i-click nyo lang ng i-click, walang mawawala. So, gusto mong yung savings, lagay nyo yung information, confirm nyo, ganon siya. Okay? Then, after nyan, tsaka mo i-complete. So, na-save na yan. Tapos, pwede mo rin siya ulit, balikan. Tapos, pwede mo siyang i-rewrite, i-edit, i-rewrite. Tapos pag natapos mo yun, pwede mo na rin i-print. Kapag tapos na, tapos ipaskill mo dyan sa iyong vision board, sa kwarto mo, sa salamin mo, sa lugar kung saan lagi mong tinitingnan. Ito namang step 2, tsaka natin to i-discuss. For now, mag-focus muna tayo sa life scenario. But I can show you naman a little bit of this one. Ito naman is membership achievement plan wherein, let's say for example, this February 1 to 15, gusto ko mag-sales master. So gusto ko diyang ilagay, I'm challenging for sales master. Ano yung magiging income ko? That will be $1,000. Ganyan. So let's say sa March naman, March 1 to 15, ganun siya. Talagang ano to, hindi ko nga alam ba't hindi to tinuro sa eskwelahan, ano, pero ito yung magandang guide talaga para magawa mo. Again, walang best way to predict your future but to really work on that yourself. 'Di ba? Kung confused ka, hindi mo sigurado. Kasi ang madalas nagsusulat ka pa lang, iniisip mo na, ay naku, baka hindi ko to kaya, ay baka hindi ko to kaya. That's normal. Kasi sa totoo lang, sa subconscious mind natin, out of 100% ng brain, 98% subconscious, meaning 98% is negative. Only 2% is positive. Kaya normal yon. Ang gawin nyo, mag-consult kayo sa sponsors. Kung gusto nyo, tawagan nyo ako, i-message nyo ako, Maria, libre ka ba? Pwede ba tayong mag-usap? Please, kailangan ko ng guide sa life scenario ko. Okay, walang problema, di ba? Kapag libre ako talaga, kausapin ko naman kayo dyan. Libre naman tayo. I always make my time naman available. So, yun. Tapos, dun sa mga may libro naman, meron na rin example dito sa mismong libro. Okay? So, sa lahat ng mga sponsors, yan yung inyong assignment na kailangan i-guide natin ang participants to participate